Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn how to find the cube root through prime factorization method. Okay, so it is similar to how to find the square root or by prime factorization method, but here only one difference is in cube root you will make a group of 3 and in square you were making group of 2. So that is the only difference over here. Okay, so I'll take a small sum. I'll take the same similar number, which is 729. Okay, let's do prime factorization of 729. It will be 3s are 243, 3s are 81, 3s are 27, 3s are 9, 3s are 3 times 1. Okay. Now write the prime factorization. Let's check how many times 3s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here, since it's a cube root, I'll make a group of 3 numbers. Okay, this is the only difference between square root and cube root. Like to find square root through prime factorization and cube root through prime factorization. So here I'll write it one time and one time. So 3 3s are 9. So what will be the cube root of 729? It will be number 9. Now let's take one more sum because it is a very easy topic to understand. Yes, if you find it a little difficult, you can let me know in the comment section of the post and let me know that if you need some more clarification or more video on this topic. So I'll make the new video or more videos on the same. Okay, so let's do prime factorization. 1372, 2s are 686, 2 times 343. Now 7 times 49, 7, 7, 7. Now write the prime factorization. 3 times 2, 1, 2, 3 and 3 times 7. Here you will observe it will be a group of 3, right? So so it will be 3 times the numbers will repeat. So here group of 3, group of 3. There is a group of number 2 and number 7. So when you will multiply, you will get answer as 40. So the cube root of 2744 will be number 40. So I hope you have understood. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.